Thank you. All protocols observed. So we are a large international disaster agency that's operated in 74 countries now throughout the world, inside Gaza, in Ukraine, in war zones, in very complicated places. So we are extremely proud to be partnering with ADPEM and the government of Jamaica. We have a lot of experience in large-scale logistics. So in partnership with ADPEM now, we're working together in just amassing as much supplies as humanly possible from the whole world, including most United States and, especially South Florida, second largest diaspora region, New York City. So a lot of that stuff goes to different fire stations, everywhere around the United States. It gets funneled. It ends up at the GEM warehouse, a 60,000 square foot warehouse facility. We've had cargo planes come every single day. We'll keep that going. And then every Friday, we'll ship 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, however many containers on the Friday ship out of Miami to here. Then that comes in, that gets processed through ADPEM, and then we work together to basically bring that out to the regions. As a simple example I can give you, in Ukraine, we service currently 1,100 regions per month with over 400 trucks. It takes a long time to get that system set up, but what you do is you set up one hub, one area, then you set up another hub in another area, you set up another hub in another area, and as soon as you have those community hubs, then you have a machine of basically aid flow that's continually going to all those hubs. So this is all under the direction of the government. We're just playing a role and part of it, and we're going to do our very best to assist as much as we can in this phase. And then the other phase, which is the second most important phase, but if not the most important phase, which will be the rebuilding. So our agency, in partnership with the National Commerce Bank, with IOM, we had repaired roughly 724 roofs last time around Treasure and Clarendon. This time, it's not 11,000 roofs that are going to be destroyed. It might be 50,000 roofs or more that are destroyed. So we're just going to have the same system scaled by 10. And that's basically what we're here to do. We're here for the long haul, and thank you.
Thank you so much. I mean, this is a really great example. Thank you so much for your work and the commitment to Jamaica. We really do appreciate it. And just knowing, this is what we're doing. That's what ADPEM is here to do under your leadership, Minister Mackenzie. It's to garner the support internationally and have it enhance what we're doing in government. And as we say, we can't do it alone, and we need the support. And we thank everybody locally and internationally who has been supporting